Welcome to another helpful tutorial on videotour.ai. In this guide, we'll show you how to fix unwanted objects that might appear in your AI animations and refine the overall video quality. Sometimes AI might invent furniture, walls, or other random details in your video tour. This usually happens due to tight camera angles and certain motion types where the AI has to guess what's missing. Let's dive into why this happens. Wide pivot motions, the end of 5-second clips, and low context can cause the AI to add these unwanted objects, but don't worry, there are ways to fix this. One of the best fixes for these artifacts is to add a second angle. This is where two-angle animation comes into play, and it's one of the most reliable solutions. Another easy fix is cutting the last 1 to 2 seconds of your clip in the editor. This helps eliminate any unnecessary motion at the end. Always check premium motion for better accuracy. It offers better results without needing extra credit for this specific fix. If you want to avoid creating artifacts, try using more conservative moves, like a zoom in rather than the wide pivot or zoom out motions. Finally, if all else fails, switch back to the standard motion, which disables AI animation. This can still give you a smooth video without any unwanted elements. To recap, here are 5 quick fixes to get smooth, clean animations. Add a second angle using two-angle animation. Trim the last 1 to 2 seconds of the clip. Use premium motion for better accuracy. Use conservative moves like zoom-ins. Switch back to standard motion if needed. By applying these fixes, you'll be able to refine your AI animations and achieve the best results for your video tours. Thanks for watching, and visit videotour.ai for more tutorials and tips. Start perfecting your videos today with videotour.ai.